Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to pin a post on Instagram thread. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out videos like this. So let's get into it. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your threads account. Once you get there, you simply need to choose the post in which you want to pin. Okay, let's say this post. Okay, so we are going to click on these three dots. So after which you are going to see pin to profile. Click on it, pinning. Let's verify. So guys, that's actually the way you pin a post on thread. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.